All right. Whoa. Jamaica, we recorded another death, unfortunately, as 20 more people tested positive within the last 24 hours. Now, more than 1,000 people overall have tested positive. 14, unfortunately, have died. And the latest one is a 37-year-old man from St. Catherine.
37?
37-year-old. The new cases including 14 females, 6 males with ages ranging from 4 months to 66 years old. It says one of the 20 is imported with an address in St. Thomas. 9 are contacts of confirmed cases, 7 of which are from St. Thomas, 2 from St. Mary. There are 10 cases, 9 from St. Thomas, 1 from Kingston and St. Andrew are under investigation. And the ministry continued to say 13 of the 17 St. Thomas cases are related to investigations of cases from the community quarantine. Recoveries remained at 745. So right now the country has 206 active cases. It says there are no critically ill patients at this time, and 58 cases have returned to their countries of origin. 6 moderately ill patients. But in the last week, we've had 30, we've had 29, 19, 16, and now 20. I think in the last week we've had more than 100 positive tests. The minister did say that when we opened our borders there would be a spike. But boy, in the last week, because before that we were doing a little 1 and 2 and 3 per night per 24 hours.
But this looks like community spread here.
Yep.
So we have, I mean, obviously the issues with opening the border, but these cases that you spoke of the 20, if 7 are from St. Thomas and 2 are from St. Mary, and the other 10, 9 from St. Thomas and 1 from Kingston, it would suggest that community spread.
Which is the reason they locked down a couple of communities, one in St. Thomas and one in Clarendon, was it? I think the other one was in Clarendon.
Sandy Bay.
But again, folks, it's you're still seeing people out, no physical distance.
It's crazy.
Being adhered to, people not wearing masks. Even the places, it happened to me yesterday. There's this place I go to regularly, and it says wear your mask to go in. And I always wear my mask. For some reason, yesterday I just came out of the car and walked right in without the mask, and no one said anything.
Nobody said anything to you?
No one said anything to me. And somewhere that I go quite often, there was no one else in there, but I literally just forgot the mask in the car. It wasn't like I did decide
Happened
not
to me
wear.
all the time.
Yeah.
Good thing is that people turn me back.
Yeah, but no one said a word. And there were many times that I was in that same establishment with my mask, and other people came in without mask, and no one said anything, which I find is one of our problems. We say, all right, we need to be consistent. So you can't wear the mask and you stop the first 5 people, put on a mask, and then number 6 come in and number 7 come in, and then like somebody say, so 3 people, then you start again and say, no, you have to wear the mask, and then you relax again.
Enforcement is important.
Yeah.
We can't just treat it like lip service. We have to do it, we have to do it.
And the other thing, folks, wearing the mask here,
But then wearing it on the air. For some people, the
under
mask
here even
is
worse,
a mustache.
but some people have it
It's
on,
a beard,
but they have it like here. Which don't make any sense.
Oh, God.
It's supposed to cover your mouth and your nose. And I remember they sent out a graphic when this mask thing came in, and they were saying, like, you have a 90% chance of getting it if none of us have on a mask, and you have a 70% if you alone have on the mask and I don't.
And a 50% if you both have it on.
Right.
It's not rocket science.
Right. So if everybody have on mask, chances of you getting are minimal. But if you don't have on a mask,
even with the discomfort of the mask, because a lot of people complain, them can't breathe, there's a commercial that runs on radio that says mask or ventilator, you choose, and it's not a joke.
It's not a joke.
As for the folks who are saying that the mask for them represents a sign of the beast, and